Hello YouTube Nation, this is Ron with RTR Gearheads. Today we're going to be going over what we've done with the Tribute so far, our Escape. So, like you guys know, we said we're going to do basic maintenance on it, and we did. So far, I actually did change all the plugs and coils and the front three, and the valve cover gasket. Okay, when you're removing this valve cover, this bracket, there's a bolt down there that actually you can loosen it. I smacked it over with a hammer. There's 11 bolts though, so you've got one here, and then one back behind that bracket. There's 3, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now you have to pay attention to how they are, because as you see over here, there are actual spacers on them, and what that's for is the actual engine cover that goes on if you still have it on yours. And the ones like this are actually for wire loom supports. This plastic, the zip tie goes around here and they go onto the top of it. So I still do have to get the wire nut cert that goes in there. Should actually be coming tomorrow. I'm going to make sure that we get you in for the intake manifold and the rear valve cover and gaskets and coil and plugs, because the front one is the easy one. There's no sense in getting you guys on that. It's remove those 11 bolts. The biggest thing is making sure that you replace the gaskets that go around the plug cylinders. You'll see them when you're on there. Each bolt actually has a blue, or has a gasket that goes around it. Make sure you replace all those. And on the corners here, when you pull the valve cover up, you're going to see that they actually have silicone in there also where the gasket is on those corners, because that's where the motor is actually joined with other portions. So like up here you got the timing cover is actually attached there. So that's where we're at on this one right now. I'm actually about to get ready to start it and see how it goes. So bear with me here. This will be the first start. Since at least those plugs and everything up front. There we go. I didn't put the motor cover back on yet because I have to replace that nut cert tomorrow. But here it goes so far. Like I said, I'll get a more in-depth video when I remove the intake manifold, because I'm going to do upper and lower gaskets on that, because I'm going to have it off anyway. I'm going to clean the throttle body also. If you notice when I started it, it idled up a little bit, more than it should have when it was cold. Probably because of this carbon buildup inside there. I can actually come around and show you that the number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, number 6 plug and coil had already been changed. 4 and 5 are still in stock. I'm always going to guarantee that 1, 2, 3 are also stocking. The number 6 also had a different plug-in. For some reason, they all had the dual electrodes on them, except for this one. So when this coil was replaced, a single electrode plug went in there. I'm putting in Motorcraft single electrode plugs anyway. So right now all I'm doing is looking around for oil leaks, especially in those main corners. Because when I initially started the truck, right in this section here, I was getting smoke. And at first I wasn't sure if it was, since it had been sitting so long, if possibly a pulley was frozen up. It's not. It's burning off oil. So that's what we have for now. Go subscribe, let us know what you guys think. Set up your notifications. And like I said, hopefully tomorrow or Sunday, probably tomorrow, I'll actually get a more in-depth video depending on the weather, because it's supposed to rain tomorrow on Sunday, and then I have to be away for a little bit. But then I'll be right back on this. go ahead and comment and let us know what you guys think. Again, this is Ron from RTR Gearheads. We're at a good number of subscribers. We're at 205 right now, I think. So if you want to go ahead and subscribe, that would be great. That'd help us out, because we're trying to reach some goals. And again, let us know what you think. Let us know what you might want to look at for future projects. I mean, as long as it's affordable enough, because it's coming out of pocket. We're still looking at getting that CBR. It's just a matter of time and getting it up here to travel. And then from there, I said this one just popped up. So hopefully I was able to help you guys. From what I understand, the 2001 through 2007 escapes are the same. Now remember, you also have the Mercury Mountaineer, the Mazda Tribute, and there's one other one I can't remember right off the top. But this is the first generation Ford Escape. The generational years vary between the Mercury Mountaineer and the Mazda Tribute. But this one is the one with the 3.0 V6. Hopefully this was entertaining or gave you guys an understanding of something you might have to do on yours. Again, it's Ron. Thanks for watching.